Good morning children. Today we are discussing the chapter is 8th chapter. 8th chapter shapes and patterns. Shapes and the shapes patterns. Okay. Let's see the first shape. What is the shape? What is the shape? Circle. It's looking like a ball, right? Ball. The shape of the ball is circular shape. What is the symbol? Triangle. What is the shape? Triangle. In every evening, some people are very interested to eat samosas, right? What is the shape of samosa? That shape is triangular shape, right? So, what is the shape? Triangle. What is this? Rectangle. What is the shape? Rectangle. Your books are in this shape, rectangular shape. Okay. What is the shape? Square. What is the shape? Square. See here. What is the shape? Circle. It's look like a ball, right? Circle. What is the shape? Triangle. It's look like a samosa, right? Yes. What is the shape? Rectangle. This board is looking like a rectangle. Next, square. What is the shape? Square. Let's see. In this rectangle, these two sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. This, if you are stand this side, this opposite side is this side, right? So these two sides are equal. Okay, adjacent sides. Next, these two sides are equal. In this case, all the sides are equal. In the square, all the sides are equal. Let's see the next pattern or next shapes. Let's see what is the shape. The shape is, which shape? You already know it. Cone. You very interested to eat ice creams, right? Cone ice cream. So, what is the shape? Cone. This is not a cone ice cream, just the shape is cone shape. Okay, let's see. What is the shape? Cylinder. What is the shape? Cylinder. It just be like this. This is a circular part, this is circular part. Okay, this is cylinder. And what is this? This is not a ball. This is sphere. Sphere means some people are play with the goalies. Goalie is a sphere. Goalie is a sphere. Okay, so this is sphere. And see, what is this? Cuboid. What is this? Cuboid. How to draw? First, draw a rectangle. Okay, let's take like this. And add this to 2. Add this to. And take one middle line and draw from here to here. Okay, and add this to. This is cuboid. And see, what is this? Cube. You will play with the cubes. You know, some colors is there in our cube, right? Okay, that is cube. How to draw it? First take a square and take a 3 sides, same like that. Here also add all the edges, add it, and here also. Okay, what is this? This is cube. This is cuboid. This is cuboid. This is cube. Here we have all sides are equal sides. Here adjacent sides are equal. Understood, children? Note down once all of you in this shapes. Okay, children. Once all of you see this picture, 110, 8th chapter. See these stories. See here, what is the border? This is lines. This is some design. It has some design. It has some design. It is also has some design. This is also has design. So, this work is a pattern. Okay. These works are a patterns. Observe this. Yeah, this one. This. It has a 2 boxes. It has only one. It has one. It has a triangular shaped boxes. This is also have a two boxes. This is also have a two boxes. So this is a pattern. And here you observe what is this? Iron grills. In your house, in your windows have some grills, right? Iron grills. These type of iron grills are there in your house, right? Some people have these type of designs in their windows. Next, this is one of the pattern. See, it has some symbols, and this is flower and symbol. Again, this flower is comes here, right? And see here, a string of flowers. This is considered. This is as a string. And see, one yellow flower and pink, yellow, pink, like that. It is there one by one. That is called a pattern. Okay. Do you know that every pattern follows a rule? Yes, it's following a rule. That rule is one after one. Okay. Yes, every pattern following a rule. Sometimes same blocks of pictures are repeated and sometimes not. For example, see the shape fishes. These all are only in the same pattern. Okay. See the first boy. I have made some patterns. I have used a rule for each pattern. I have made some pattern. He was made some patterns. I have used a rule for each pattern. He was used in their pattern some rules. And here, the rule for this pattern is there are two cats before every one dog. He was taken two cats after a dog. Two cats after dog. Cat, dog. Like that, he was done one rule. Next, B. This is pattern. There is one leaf up and one down. Then this is repeated. See here, one leaf is up, one leaf is down. Again, one leaf is up and one leaf is down. And this pattern is continued. Repeated. Okay. Let's see the page number 112. See the exercise 8.1. Write the names of the shapes. Write the names of the shapes. What is the? All of you see. What is the shape? What is the shape? I already told you. The shape is cuboid. See? In your textbook, either shape is in your textbook. Where is it there? No. Here, yes, this is. What is the shape? The shape cube. Right? What is the shape? Cube. Write down here cube. Okay. Let's see. What is this? See here, is it there? No. And here it is there. See, this is cube. And see here, what is this? This one. What is the shape? Cylinder. What is the shape? Cylinder. And see, that shape is in your textbook? Yes. See here, this shape is there in this place. What is the shape? Cuboid. What is the shape? Cuboid. See, that is a cuboid. What is the next one? Is it triangle? No. What is this? Cone. You all have very much of interest, right? Cone ice creams. Right? Understood the patterns? The first one is cube, this is cylinder, and this is cuboid, and this is cone. Everyone must write the spellings and by heart the spellings. Cube, C-U-B-E. Cylinder, S-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D. comb. C-O-M-B. Okay. Let's see the second one. Look at around you and find 4 things which are having patterns. Also list them. Okay, in your day life, which type of patterns you have to see? For example, your windows. Your window's shape is, what is the shape of your window? It's look like this, right? Right? So the shape is rectangular shape, right? In your classroom, everyone must observe the chalk piece. What is the shape of the piece of chalk? Piece of chalk shape is cylinder shape, right? This is cylinder shape. Cylinder type. Right? Okay. Next, your mobiles is triangle. Your books is triangle. Next, your balls is a what? Circle shape or sphere. Goalies. Okay, these are the some shapes. You write down the shapes here. Let's see. Given below are some patterns. Figure out the rule for each to continue the pattern. Here you see, draw 3 lines. Here also drawn 3 lines. Here circle. Here also drawn 3 lines. 3 lines circle. So you should draw 3 here. 3 lines. Here 3 lines. And circle. Okay, let's see the picture. Take a reverse triangle and color it. Take a reverse triangle and color it. And here also take a reverse triangle and color it. Here we get a half triangle, right? And here also you color with a green. Let's see growing pattern. Growing pattern. A. I have made a new pattern, but this pattern keep on growing. It does not repeat. It does not repeat. Check here. No problem. It has a rule that you can find in this pattern. See here. But this pattern keep on growing. It does not repeat. Is it repeating or not? See. Once is showing upwards. Here downwards arrow. Here 2 arrows are upwards. Here 2 arrows are downwards. Here 3 arrows are upwards. Here 3 arrows are downwards. Here 4 arrows are upwards. Here 4 arrows are downwards. Right? It's showing down. One is showing up. First one. One is up and one is down. Second, 2 is up and 2 is down. 3 is up and 3 is down. 4 is up and 4 is down. Any pattern is repeated? No. This is about pattern. Okay, all of you? Thank you. Once all of you read the spellings of the shapes.